The Java programming language has established itself as one of the most popular and widely used languages in the world of software development. Whether you aspire to become a professional programmer or simply want to gain a solid understanding of the language, this Java tutorial for beginners will provide you with the foundational knowledge you need to get started. Through comprehensive explanations, practical examples, and step-by-step instructions, this tutorial aims to make learning Java accessible and enjoyable for beginners. Chapter 1: Getting Started with Java. In this chapter, we will cover the basics of Java programming. We will introduce the Java development environment, including how to install the Java Development Kit (JDK) and set up your development environment. We will also explain the fundamental concepts of variables, data types, operators, and control flow, enabling you to write your first Java program. Chapter 2: Object-Oriented Programming (OOP) Principles. Java is known for its strong support of object-oriented programming. In this chapter, we will delve into the key concepts of OOP, such as classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. You will learn how to create classes, define attributes and methods, and understand the relationships between objects. Chapter 3: Working with Java Data Types. Java offers a wide range of built-in data types to handle different kinds of information. In this chapter, we will explore the various data types available in Java, including integers, floating point numbers, characters, strings, booleans, and arrays. You will learn how to declare variables, perform type conversions, and use arrays to store and manipulate collections of data. Chapter 4: Control flow and loops. To write dynamic and interactive programs, you need to understand control flow and looping structures. In this chapter, we will discuss conditional statements like if-else and switch case, as well as loop structures like for, while, and do-while. You will learn how to make decisions in your programs and repeat blocks of code until certain conditions are met. Chapter 5: Handling Exceptions. Java provides powerful exception handling mechanisms to deal with runtime errors. In this chapter, we will cover the basics of exception handling, including try-catch blocks, handling multiple exceptions, throwing and catching custom exceptions, and using the finally block. You will learn how to write robust and fault-tolerant code by gracefully handling exceptions. Chapter 6: Working with Java Libraries and APIs. Java has an extensive set of libraries and APIs that provide ready-to-use functionality for common programming tasks. In this chapter, we will explore some of the most commonly used Java libraries, such as the Java Standard Library, the Collections Framework, and the Input-Output (IO) classes. You will learn how to leverage these libraries to perform tasks like file handling, data manipulation, and more. Chapter 7: Introduction to GUI Programming. Graphical user interfaces (GUIs) play a vital role in modern software applications. In this chapter, we will introduce you to the basics of GUI programming in Java. We will cover the Swing framework, which allows you to create windows, buttons, menus, and other interactive components. You will learn how to build simple graphical interfaces to make your programs more user-friendly. Chapter 8: Java and Databases. Databases are essential for storing and retrieving data in many applications. In this chapter, we will explore how Java interacts with databases using the Java Database Connectivity (JDBC) API. You will learn how to connect to a database, perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations, and handle transactions. Conclusion: by completing this Java tutorial for beginners, you will have gained a solid foundation in Java programming. You will be equipped with the necessary knowledge to write simple to moderately complex programs, understand object-oriented principles, work with various data types, handle exceptions, utilize Java libraries, create graphical interfaces, and interact with databases. Java offers vast opportunities for software development, and with continuous learning and practice, you can unlock its full potential to create powerful and efficient applications.